our best in production number. Honorable Mario Timlor and Honorable Amancia Saak, Barangay Captain o Barangay Saavedra and Barangay Lanao. Best in production number is
Candidate number Candidate number 3, Purok Sambag.
Congratulations, candidate number 3, bagging the best in production number.
Hear the beat of the drums and calling us near. This is the echo of fate we hold so dear. Through every step we celebrate our joyous songs across the land. Batubalani sa
Congratulations, candidate number 3, Purok Sambag, best in production number. And the next minor award is the best in talent.
The best in talent.
And this is represented by Honorable, and they will be presenting the cash.
Once again, the candidate will receive a cash prize for the best in talent. And our best in talent belongs to candidate number Candidate number 2, Purok Nangka.
She is our best in talent. Indot King Stories sa talent. I was there hosting the event. Thank you very much. She will be receiving a cash award. Okay, you can claim it tomorrow. Next award
The
is...
next award is the People's Choice Award.
And this goes out to the festival queen who captures the heart of the people through voting the People's Choice Award with 1 peso per vote.
Bugho Anon, who's your bet? Our People's Choice Award is candidate number
Candidate
number 2, Purok Nangka. The award will be given by Honorable Marvin Dio.
Congratulations, candidate number 2, being the People's Choice Award with most number of votes through award voting. People's Choice Award.
Once again, congratulations, candidate number 2. Next award to be given is our Social Media Award. The candidate who garnered the most through our official Facebook page.
And to present the award is the Barangay Captain of Barangay Agbalanga along with his counselor. Congratulations once again, Purok Nangka, for being the People's Choice Awardee.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Social Media Award is candidate number 3, Purok Sambag.
Thank you very much and congratulations, Purok Sambak. Next special award is the Miss Photogenic. This goes out to the candidate who captures best during the photo shoot held at Lusolas Resort, and it is done by Photo Isquate. So we will now reveal the frame.
May request
Would you like to do the honor?
Mr. Marco Antonio to do the honor to reveal our Miss Photogenic Award.
All right. Sir Nino on behalf of Photo Isquate. There you have it. And now, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss Photogenic is candidate number 2, Purok Naka.
Congratulations, candidate number 2.
Raise our hands, raise our voice, the waves of crowd, pure love and devotion. So let us go.
Congratulations, candidate number 2 being our Miss Photogenic. Sponsored by Photo
Photo
Isquate with
Isquate.
Sir Antonio Marco. Nindot kayo mong photoshoot dito sa Lusolas Mountain Resort.
This hope and love to
Daghang salamat and congratulations, candidate number 2.
And now, our Best in Ecological Costume.
Who do you think will be our best in ecological costume?